Welcome to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and today I have a quick fabric haul for you guys. A couple weeks ago I was in HobbyLobby with my husband. We were looking for some happy planner things for him, trying to help him organize his life as well. And when we finished, he headed over to the man cave section like he always does. And I said, well, I'm just gonna go back here, meaning to the fabric section, right? So I get back there and I see something I have never seen before. They had fabric on clearance for 66% off. Yes, 66% off. Now I'm used to seeing their everyday 40% off, but 66%, never seen it. All of their fall fabric was 66% off. I guess they're getting ready to bring in a spring and summer collections. I don't know. But anyway, I've never seen that. So of course I felt like I needed to get some, right? I needed to get some. I couldn't miss it. Now, the first one that caught my eye was this beautiful, beautiful leopard print. And y'all know I love me some animal print. And this is like a sweater-like material. When I went over to touch the fabric and feel it, I knew immediately what I wanted to make with this. So my husband's cousin has a boutique here in the area in DeSoto, Texas. So if you're in the area, please stop by and patronize her shop. She has some wonderful, wonderful pieces for all ages. And I'll put her name here on the screen as well as in the description box. I'm not sure if she has an online presence yet, but I'm gonna make sure that you do have her information. I purchased a camo sweater dress from her about a couple months ago or so. I wasn't quite sure when or where I'd wear the dress, but we recently went to an event and it was the perfect time to wear it. It was kind of cool outside, not too cool, but nice enough for this dress. And this fabric reminded me of that, and I'll show you the dress here. But this fabric reminded me of that. And this is a sweater knit, and I'm just gonna put it on the dress form so you can see how it looks. That's how it looks on the dress form. This fabric is a large leopard sweater knit. Absolutely beautiful. The colors are taupe, brown, and black. The fabric content is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. The next piece of fabric that I purchased is also a knit fabric. And this is a ribbed knit. All I see is sweater dresses and dresses. I mean, I love a nice knit dress. This is absolutely beautiful. I haven't matched stripes. I have made a garment with stripes and I did not match them. And for the garment, or actually for the type of fabric that it was, it still came out pretty good without the stripes being matched. But that is something that I do want to tackle soon, is matching my stripes. And I'm also going to toss this one on a dress form for you. This fabric is a striped rib knit. Its colors are taupe, black, and white. It is 96% polyester and 4% spandex. This could also be a nice scarf too, matching head wrap. The third piece of fabric I purchased is another leopard print. You guys, I'm here for it. It's a knit, and this fabric is so soft and buttery smooth. When I tell you, I can't wait to get this on my skin. I cannot wait to get this on my skin. It's very soft and buttery smooth. I really love it. I love the color, the texture. It just feels so nice. So I need your help on this one. This is the name of this fabric, TNL Leopard Supr brush. I assume the LEP is for leopard, but I'm not sure what the TNL stands for
or what the SUPR means. If you know what this means, please let me know down in the comments. This color is taupe, and it is 96% polyester and 4% spandex.
Now this last piece of fabric caught my eye while I was at the cutting counter, and I don't even know why I looked over because I was done looking for fabric, but I happened to glance over, and I promise you this fabric was the only fabric sitting. If you know how Hobby Lobby has their fabrics, you know, they're like there's a rack and that each bolt sits on, and it's the only one there. When I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I've got to get that, right? Let me show you what it is. Close your eyes. You got them closed? Keep them closed. All right, you ready? You can open. I think this fabric is so cute. It's so cute that I kind of really don't even want to make anything with it. I just want to keep it, right? It kind of makes me want to go back to Hobby Lobby and see if they have any more left, because this is just so cute. I think I ended up getting 3 yards of this. I mean, I just really loved it. I do. I like it. I like it a whole lot. And this is 100% cotton. This one does not have stretch, of course.
This fabric here is called Girl Boss, and it is a multicolor, and the content is 100% cotton.
And of course, whatever garment I make, I have to make sure that I pay attention to the layout, because I don't want my girls going sideways. I want them straight up and down like they're intended to be. This fabric was 50% off. Like I said, the highest I saw was 66% off. Julie of the Curated Curvy here on YouTube, she recently purchased some fabric from Hobby Lobby as well. She didn't exactly do a pattern haul, but she gave us a sneak peek into her fabric. And she also picked up this sweater knit here. Now, she said when she went, the fabrics were 75% off. I believe she is also here in Texas. I'm not sure what part of Texas. It sounds like they are really trying to get rid of this fall fabric, and sounds like you can get some really good discounts. So make sure you check out your local Hobby Lobby. The next fabric I'm going to show you, it did not come from Hobby Lobby. I purchased this pink fabric for my daughter's scrubs, and it came in a 4-yard cut. It's a Polycotton, and it came in a 4-yard cut that hangs on one of the walls. I'm trying to find you all the label. Is it over here somewhere? Oh, here it is. I got it. Okay. This pink fabric I purchased for my daughter's scrubs. Like I said, I got it from Walmart. It was a 4-yard cut, folded and packaged, hanging on the walls in the fabric section. And this is the label for it. So guys, if you're ever looking for just, they even have 1-yard cuts. So if you're ever just looking for like a small cut or one single cut, and you want it quick, you don't want to look for anyone, they do have some cotton, you know, that's already packaged, hanging on the wall like this, in 1-yard and 4-yard cuts. I think I may have seen 2, not sure about 3. But anyway, this is just what the label looks like, and I think this was about $10. Might have been $10 and some change, but fairly inexpensive for 4 yards of fabric. I will show you this on the mannequin. It is quite thin, and as you can see, if I fold this here, you can still see the fabric through the fabric. So I don't know if I'll be able to use this for her scrubs because it is so thin and see-through, unless she plans on wearing black tights underneath her pants and a black top underneath her top. You know, I don't know if this will work. I think I'm gonna have to go out and find some thicker cotton. But initially I saw this and I couldn't tell that it was this thin just by it hanging on the wall. So I'm gonna see. Either way, I'm gonna use this fabric for something, because I mean, I just can't let it sit and go to waste. So it will be used nevertheless. I know I said before I was going to try to solely sew from my stash, which I have been doing, but I just couldn't pass that up. And all those leopard prints and that, I just couldn't let it go. I'm sorry. I know we all say every sale isn't for you, but this one was definitely for me. So be sure to go check out your local Hobby Lobby. Hit that like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when that next video is posted. And now you've seen it, go make it and slay it.